Hi. Buenos dias, YouTube. It's your boy, Jack SB, and we are out here in Thailand. It's day 3 of the vacay. Right here in this beautiful, dude, look how pretty it is out here, bro. We're about to go on this hike at this place. That's its name, if you guys were wondering. I have no idea what that says, bro. No honest, though. It is so beautiful out here. And we haven't even made it to the waterfall yet, bro. Let's get it started. Buatong waterfall. Yo, dude, this is beautiful. Oh, word. This is almost as pretty as you, Bryce.
Oh, thanks.
Okay, let's go. Yeah. Hey, here we are, y'all. We're hiking down to the waterfall. On a waterfall, bro. Like, this is insane, bro. All right, gotta try not to slip. Holding on to the plants, bro. Hard to do this with one hand. Gotta get the video though. Woo! Wow, bro. Hiking through the Thai jungle wilderness. Oh, shoot, that's slippery. Zach, where are you going, bro? That way? Dude, it looks like you're jumping off a cliff, bro.
Bro, it feels like it.
I say we send it. Let's go. Holy. Walking through all these mini waterfalls. This is insane, bro. Woo! Let's go, baby. Dude. This waterfall, bro. This one is insane. We just walked down that thing.
Let's go.
I don't know if you guys can hear me, but check out what this is looking like right now. Oh my gosh. Bro, this is gorgeous, dude. This is beautiful, bro. Bro, look at this bud. It's huge, bro. Waterfall has come to an end. We are starting our ascent back up. Let's go.
Let's go. Get me in this. I'm sexier than you. I'll bring the views.
No bother. Let's go. Hey. Woo! River! Oh my.